Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. We are discussing comparing here acidity. There are 30 sets. We are doing first one. Here this is acrylic acid, this is propanoic acid, draw this structure, and this is benzoic acid. Which is more acidic and why? So pK value we see, this is pK 4.3 and it is having 4.2. So lesser will be the pK value, larger will be the Ka, and more will be the acidity. Okay, so it is a little more acidic as compared to acrylic acid. Why it is so? Because here both of them are having resonance, but here extended resonance is there because of the this pi electron delocalized between this carboxylate ion and this aromatic ring. Okay, so it is having a little higher acidity. Now compare acidity of the following A, B and C. These three compounds are given. Here this is phenyl acetic acid. Here C, here this is C. So it is 2,2 diphenyl acetic acid. Here C, this is 1, 2, 3. This is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. Okay, and this is 2,2 diphenyl acetic acid. Clear? And this is, I told you, 1-phenyl acetic acid. 1-phenyl acetic acid. So what you are watching here, there are all of them are having phenyl group, benzene ring, and this is benzene ring is electron withdrawing group. It is acid strengthening effect. Okay, electron withdrawing group causes minus I effect, which is increases the acidity of the carboxylate ion, and because of the resonance. So here we will see that, and second thing, more will be the number of electron withdrawing group, more will be the acidity. Third group, basic concept, further will be the electron withdrawing group, acidity will decreases. So here they see here this is, there are 2 phenyl group attached to this, so it will be the most acidic. I have written this pK value 3.7. If this will be 5.4, okay, 3.54. No need to memorize it, just you know the basics. Okay, here it is nearer to this group, that is why it is more acidic than this one. This is having further phenyl group. It is in third carbon 3-phenyl. It is 2-phenyl. Okay, so here it is 2-phenyl. So first ranking is going to this. This is most acidic, followed by this, and lastly this. Clear to you? And after the loss of this H positive, carboxylate ion are more resonance still by because of 2 benzene ring. Here 1 benzene ring but nearer. Here 1 benzene ring but farther. So this is most acidic and most basic. This conjugate base most